Last time, we learned how to check and top off your oil. But what if it's time for a change? Here's how to change your oil. To start, make sure your car is warmed up. Then, safely drain the oil from under your car, removing the fill cap, then the drain plug, with a catch pan underneath. When the oil is completely drained, replace the plug. Second, you'll need to replace your oil filter. Start by removing the old one. Some can be removed by hand, and others need to be loosened with an oil filter wrench. Allow the oil to drain from the old filter, and make sure that the filter gasket came off with the filter. Now you can install the new filter by adding a little oil to the gasket. Then, installing it by turning it in a clockwise motion until it's snug. With the old oil drained and the filter replaced, you can now fill up your oil to the proper amount from the top. Then, replace your oil cap. Before you call it a day, you'll need to make sure that you're properly disposing of the spent oil. Usually, you can pour it back into the bottle and take it to an auto parts store for recycling. If all of that sounds like a lot of work to you, your next and best option is to schedule an appointment with a AAA owned car care or AAA approved auto repair facility. They'll take care of your oil change and make sure the rest of your vehicle is road ready.